In case you missed it, Disney has released the recipe for their famous frozen pineapple treat. We know it better as the Disney Dole Whip, and we've got to see if it is as good as the real thing, since none of us can be in Disney World right now. All we need are 3 ingredients: vanilla ice cream, frozen pineapple, and pineapple juice. The measurements start out with a large scoop of vanilla ice cream. That looks about right. 2 cups of frozen pineapple chunks. And then we just need a half a cup, or 4 ounces it is, of pineapple juice. One day I'm gonna get a good blender. Okay, how do we look? Now, it's not an official Dole Whip until it's like piped up into the serving glass, but I gotta give it a taste. Yum. It's not overly sweet. I feel like the one I had was a little sweeter. All right, so I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag because I don't have a piping bag with a star tip. Imagine that. There's no way this is gonna pipe up pretty, even if I did have a star tip. It's quite runny. I've got a glass. I mean, half of the excitement is seeing how pretty it is. But like I said, I don't think this one would stand up. It's not stiff enough. It could also be the fact that I have a terrible blender. Okay, this is it. The official Disney recipe. Definitely doesn't look like the picture, but when you put it in a pretty glass, it still looks good, and my kids are gonna love it. What's not to like? I'm gonna add a little rum to this. All right, I wasn't like 100% pleased with that texture, so I just made another batch. And I let it freeze for about 15 minutes to see if it would pipe out prettier. Because, I don't know, I just feel like I need to do it some justice. That's prettier, and if I had a piping bag, it might look even better. Regardless, I think Disney's holding something back because it's still way softer than theirs. So my suggestion, if you have a cheap blender like me, is to make a double batch, first of all. Freeze it in the bag for probably half an hour, and then it will pipe out pretty, just like Disney's. Do you have a copycat recipe that you think I should try next? For more great videos like this, don't forget to follow my recipes on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. See you next time. Now that's what I'm talking about.